Hi, in this video of less, we will discuss about the extend selector. Basically, extend selector, as the name says, extends the designing of a particular element. How? Basically, what happens whenever you define and whenever you use the extend selector with any particular element, it will just include that particular designing also along with its own designing. So if it's not clear yet, obviously, so let's see the practical implementation where you will see how this extends selector extend the designing of some existing element.
So in this example, you can see I have placed a couple of styles here. One is for h2 and another one is a style class called style. So here, when I'm defining this h2, first thing that I have done means one of the things that I have done is font style is italic, right? So for h2, the font style will be italic. But what is the other style? The other thing is whatever you will put in this style, that will be part of that as well. Means this is the root selector, means the parent selector, alright? So that's h2 and it's extending the style for this style class, alright? So now when I'll compile this file, you can see in CSS it is something like that. Like first it is h2 where it's just taking the style font style, that is italic, and here it is a comma separator, means for this class as well as for this h2 the background is set as green. Alright, so this is the extend. So how it works, it is actually extending the definition of styles for h2. It is here as well, and later after the compilation this h2 will be extended with this style, and all the styles inside this class style will be applied to this h2 like it is done here. So h2 alone with font style, and here h2 for background along with this class style. So let's come to HTML here, and here I'll put the h2 tag. This is heading. Alright, let's execute. So you can see, alright, there's a misspelling mistake in heading. I'll rectify that, but you can see it's italic, it's coming italic, as well as the background is coming as green. So both these styles have been applied. So actually it is extended. Alright, let me just rectify this one. While if I'll put another one, if I'll put some paragraph here or something, right, class is equal to style. Alright, so this is a paragraph, right? So obviously it would be getting the concept of style, and its background will also be green. Alright, so this is how you can use this extends function here along with the parent selector, and then you will be able to extend the functionality or the styling of a particular element like that.